chaleng mando check, chaleng mando check, chaleng mando check, chaleng mando check, chaleng mando check. And B-Swarm, and we're playing International Noob Day.
Oh, that's what we're doing today.
Yes.
Today is International Noob Day.
Yes, No, don't pretend. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing a face cam, it's because it's newbie stuff and noobs don't have face cams. So, yes.
No one uses face cams anymore.
Anyways, Bennett is a pro in the server right now, so...
I'm just finished getting on my stuff. I'm not ready yet.
Oh yeah, Bennett, he was supposed to be a noob.
He's getting magic.
Yeah, he's getting magic. Mondo Chick spot! Oh no! No! Chaleng Mondo check, 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 chaleng Mondo check. Okay, I already started it, but okay, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with. Oh my God, we're not filming this on the Stitch Cult YouTube channels, Ainsley. But you guys should join the Stitch Cult. No, this is for my own YouTube channel, Ainsley.
I thought we were going to do it from Stitch Cult. No, it's Stitch Cult. It doesn't post random gaming videos.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're playing B-Swarm Simulator. We're here with a new person named Zoe, and then we're here with Bennett, and we're here with Zoe. No, not Zoe. Ainsley.
My name is Ainsley, not Zoe. Love you to say that. Beautiful.
Okay, whatever.
I'm beautiful. You are. We have these tiny little
Yo, so basically it's international. It's International Noob Day. Chaleng Mondo check, chaleng Mondo check, chaleng Mondo check, chaleng Mondo check, chaleng Mondo check. Really? You stupid Mondo check. Exactly what? Okay, now that.
Wait, no, I want Stinger. Well, that's too
Ow!
I don't have time for your stingers. Oh my God. I just want to just Bennett, can you kill my werewolf, please?
Oh, your werewolf dead.
Oh, yay. Got killed by the stinger. Got killed by the... Oh, I was on my way there to come kill it. No. No.
Now Ainsley has to relog.
It's slow. It just feels...
Ainsley has to relog. Ainsley, relog. Now I have to relog. I'll be right back. I need to relog because I cheated so I could get the stingers.
If you want some loot from this rare sprout, come now.
Where is it?
Okay, you know what? You just...
I missed it. I'm coming.
Oh, honey, bye, honey.
Okay, so basically I died. From now on, no one's allowed to die. Okay, guys, so we've just figured out our goal of the game. Oh my God, is there more rules? Okay, so we finally found out our rules. Basically, we are going to do a challenge where we have no bees, so, and the only thing that we have is Bennett right here, which is a pro. So if you die, you basically have to log off. So
if you die, you have to stay at your hive at all times and just watch and just hear what everyone's doing and.
Yeah, and also here someone stream, and if someone dies, someone will stream their screen to the person.
Yeah.
So basically.
Wait, but somebody gets to just feel that they can't go, and then they.
Oh my God! No more rules. Just no more rules. Please, no more rules. Oh my God! No more rules. I just want to get into the video. Okay, so Bennett is our bodyguard because he's the only one.
Doing the challenge.
Oh crap, we just lost Bennett. Here's our bodyguard. Our bodyguard just died. So basically,
I went to the ant challenge.
oh god, this is gonna be a long video. I'm saying this is gonna be a long video for expression. Okay, so, we're gonna get into the video. Let's go. Yay. Bennett, our bodyguard just left us, so I'm sad. Bennett, please protect me. I'm scared. I don't want to die, because then the video's over. Bennett, tell us when you're done with the ant challenge. You're helping me.
Yeah, I just finished. I died early. My vicious beast fell asleep.
Okay, so Bennett, you gotta protect us, but please help me.
You, Camden. I'm just gonna be watching you.
Oh, come on, you are our only source of protection. Our bodyguard
Camden,
quit.
I want to actually have some action.
Okay,
Go on
fine.
to the spider field. I want to see that spider.
Are you gonna, okay, good. Just don't get me killed. Okay, guys, everyone has to go in the spider field. We're not gonna hide from everything. We're not babies,
I'm just
boys.
gonna watch from up here so my bees don't attack as much. Actually, my bees are.
All right, everyone. Okay, this is gonna be sad. Okay, guys, run, run, run!
No.
No! Help me, Bennett! Bennett, help me! Bennett, help me! Wait, Bennett killed my spider. Thank you, Bennett.
Go away! Stop! This is all my honey tokens. Stop it, Zoe. I'm not taking any.
Okay.
I just watched you. I
Oh my
can't
God.
see any.
Okay, my spider! Yay, all my loot. My loot.
Spider dead a long time ago. This challenge is starting right.
No, it already started. Ainsley, it already started. Ainsley, it already started.
Yeah, the challenge is already started. Come on, let's go. Oh wait, we just killed our werewolves. That's boring.
Oh wait, we did. Wait, yeah.
Ladybugs.
Ladybugs. Okay. We're going to Pine Tree Forest. Basically,
Go to Rose Field afterwards.
okay, we're going. Oh, my scorpion babies. My scorpions. Before we started filming this video, like a couple of years ago. Oh my God, Bennett, where are you? Thank you. Bennett's here. Okay, one of my mantis just died. Come on, Bennett. Yes, you killed my last mantis. Thank you.
I'm just taking the loot. I just got neon berry.
Bennett's just enjoying the loot that he gets from helping us. All right.
Oh, big kill. Come on, let's go kill the scorpion.
Wait, did we kill the Mondo chick? Did we ever kill the Mondo chick?
Yeah, we already killed the Mondo chick. We got the Mondo chick last night.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we got the blessing.
Okay. Okay, it's panicking. It's panic. Don't panic.
I got hit twice.
Okay, guys, I would say, or know what I would say if people were good enough, I would say that we could go kill our king beetles, but I don't think we're good enough.
Other people's bees can't attack their other people's king's beetles.
Yeah, also my king beetle can't spawn. I kept it.
Yeah, I also did.
Beetle's gonna spawn in a couple hours.
Oh, guys, what about tunnel bear?
No, that's just gonna kill all of us off.
I have a
I already
day
killed
until
my tunnel bear and other people's bees can't kill other tunnel
I have a day until tunnel.
All right, ladybugs, come on, ladybugs.
Call the king beetles ready. I'll be right back, one.
Ladybugs, Bennett, I have a ladybug chasing me.
Oh, well, you should have done it now because I'm killing the king beetle right now.
Are you serious?
Oh, no, I got a king beetle amulet. Okay.
Okay, in the next minute, someone has to die. I'm gonna make sure someone dies, or the person with the lowest health, loses, and they get disqualified at the end. So, So this is what I'm planning on doing. If no one dies in the next minute, everyone's going to go into the mushroom field until someone dies. You can't leave, or and Bennett can't help us. So basically, one of us is gonna have to die. And the person with the lowest health in 1 minute dies. I'm killing them. They're disqualified. They'll just be disqualified. That's so
Screen sharing.
okay, that's it. Guys, everyone come to the mushroom field.
Okay, I'm not gonna kill anything.
Okay, Bennett, you're not allowed to come, but come to the mushroom field.
I'm in the mushroom field.
You're not in the mushroom
One
field.
stand
Okay, did you guys kill your ladybugs?
No.
Okay. So we all have our ladybugs. The person with the lowest health in 1 minute is disqualified.
Set a timer. Wait, I'll set a timer.
Okay, Zoe's setting a timer. Let's just do a time lapse.
You cannot leave the field. You cannot leave the field.
Wait, don't start it yet. We have to wait for Zoe to set the timer.
Okay, guys, wait. I'm gonna check to see if there's a vicious.
Wait, guys, I'm bored.
Everyone leave the field. Yeah, that's wonderful. Now, please listen to what I feel. Okay, you know what? Never mind. You guys never listen.
What, Bennett?
What do you have to say?
That's the one thing I hate about you guys. You guys literally never listen.
What?
Okay, Bennett, what do you have to say?
Never mind.
Okay,
Everyone stand outside of the field.
except for Bennett.
Full health?
Alright, everyone's full out. Go in!
Wait,
In
no,
it.
I haven't set the timer. Okay, now go.
Okay, go. I have to itch my arm so badly. Oh, can we all agree if we're both tied, we're disqualifying Zoe?
Wait, what? Why?
I'm just kidding. We're disqualifying Ainsley. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you guys? Or they could both be disqualified, or it could be like a death match.
Oh yeah, deathmatch.
Death match.
What do you mean?
Death match.
What's that?
Well, so if that happens, then we'll join my Roblox game and I'll give everyone swords. We'll go to the Camden game and I'll give everyone swords with admin. And we'll have and then we'll have a death match with our swords. I haven't taken one piece of damage and Ainsley's dying anyways, so she's probably gonna get disqualified either way. Ainsley's dead! Ainsley, you're out.
Time.
Ainsley's out! Ainsley, D-log!
The timer. Ainsley, you're disqualified.
D-log! And Zoe will stream to you.
Ainsley, if you don't leave the game, I'm gonna kick you. I have the power to leave.
Yeah. Okay, she left. Okay, I'm gonna stream to her. Okay, Bennett, can you stream? Okay. Okay, Ainsley, now you can join and get your good stuff. Okay, Ainsley is disqualified. That was great. I love that. That was fun.
Yeah.
No, besides the point that Ainsley got disqualified.
Okay, Cam, where shall we go next?
Let's go do the thing with our beetles.
I can't. My beetle can't spawn yet.
No, these beetles.
They can't. Oh, these?
Yeah. Oh wait, Zoe, leave the field. Zoe, leave the field. We have to set the timer.
Fine. Why did Ainsley just leave the call?
All right. We'll tell her when we're done with the video.
She feels sad.
All right. So you said it. Boom.
Timer set.
My rhino beetle's level 1. Yours is level 0.
Time. Cam loses.
I'm dead. Okay. Let me just die real quick and the video is over. I'm delogging. Goodbye.